Well, the control desk here in control room A is the nerve centre of the whole power station. This is centric to the operation of London's power back in the day, and you know, I'm amazed at where we've got to now on the journey that we've been on, but of course it all centres around this amazing console behind me. Well, creating the environmental atmosphere and ambient conditions that we need to do this work is vital, because you can't have humidity, you can't have dust in the atmosphere, you can't have temperatures that are out of kilter. It affects the curing times, it affects colour, it affects everything. The viscosity of the paint when we're spraying all changes, and we had to have 100% consistency. Some of the finishing's done on site and not in the booth, which is incredible. And again, the cocoon that we built allowed us to create that workshop environment as if we were off site. But doing it on site here at Battersea has been something that has a secret behind a shroud that nobody realises. And of course, they're going to see the magic as we approach the crossing line. The preparation's absolutely vital. I mean, not only that dust-free atmosphere and the surface treatment that we create to apply the coatings, but when you look at the masking process as well, I mean, this isn't normal masking tape, this is craft tape. This is absolute precision at a level that gives us such a crispness around the dials, and that absolute contrast between the black and the heritage beige colours that look factory finished, because of course back then they were factory finished, but in an old method. And we've been able to achieve that here, and it just looks so authentic and so smart. The shades of undercoat that we use to create the base that needs to give the hue to the buff colour that you see is quite remarkable. And of course, the cabinets behind me went through the same process, and it's great that you can compare that and see just how we achieve these finishes. And of course, it builds up the system. It's about that sort of coating system that is going to be there now for another 50 years, 100 years. We couldn't be more under the spotlight than we are in these control rooms, because it is the gem of the building. And of course, that actually motivates us, to be honest. It makes us want to really succeed and go even further. Pushing boundaries is our phrase, and it's very much what the team have done here to create this amazing result.